Hello students, first you subscribe this channel so that whenever I will upload any video it will reach to you first. Today I bring a new topic, virus, because nowadays in computer or in human beings also we able to see different type of viruses are there. So first we will learn about the computer virus because we have to make secure our computer from the virus, different type of virus. Name suggests virus is stands for vital information resources underseas. Means whatever the important information you have that is in underseas. This is a full form of virus. Now in details we are going to understand about the virus. What is virus and how we can remove this from our computers. Okay, let's see. Computer virus. It is a software program. It is like a software, means it is a man-made. We can also make a computer virus. Simply, computer virus is nothing a set of program or a software. It can infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. Means if you are using your computer, it can affect your computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. It can spread one computer to other computer. If your computer is connected with your with other computer, and if on that computer some virus are there, then that can spread from one computer to other computer, also from the pen drive, cd, dvd. From that also it can spread. It can erase all the files from the hard drive of your computer. Means if you have a computer and if the virus can attack your computer and attack your computer, it means it can erase all the files from the hard disk or hard drive of the computer. All computer viruses are man-made. Understand this concept. Man-made means not by default it is not made. Human beings made this software. Means a very professional programmer, very professional software developer can make only the virus. In 1982, Richard Skrenta created a virus named Elk Cloner for Apple II system. Means for attacking on the Apple II system, Richard Skrenta in 1982 he developed a virus. Elk virus was also known as the first computer virus. This is also known as first computer virus, which is developed in 1982. So these are the disadvantages if a virus will attack in your computer. So these type of things may occur. Now, what are the symptoms when a virus will attack to your computer? Then what will happen in your computer? And what are the identification or indication from that you can understand your computer is attacked by or attacked by a virus? Let's see. The computer may run slower than normal. If virus will attack in your computer, so the computer will start working slowly than normal. Next is the computer faces a booting problem. Booting problem means when you will start your computer, it will take so much time. Again and again, it will ask you for the update and many things. The application may not work properly. Whatever the software you have installed, application software you have installed your computer, that will not work properly. Like suppose if you want to work in the MS PowerPoint, MS Word, so when you will start, if there is a virus in your computer, so it will not allow to work properly in the particular application. The screen may flicker sometime. The screen will flicker, means it will come and again it will be hide, again it will come, again it will hide. Like that only it will happen if the virus will be there in your computer. The file may be hidden or sometimes disappear. Sometime what will happen if you have saved any files in your computer, sometimes that file will not be there due to the virus, because virus actually duplicate the files and you will not identify which is your files, and sometimes it hide from their location. The system may crash. Your system will not start, and the operating system may crash. These are the symptoms. Now, types of computer virus, that from where computer virus can come in your computer, about that only we are going to discuss. So types of computer virus. Computer viruses are classified into different types. First one is boot sector virus. Boot sector virus, they infect on the hard disk of your computer. These viruses get activated before the operating system. Means before starting the operating system, it get activated, and the user may not able to boot the computer, and the user cannot boot the computer, cannot start the computer if this type of virus will be in your computer. Email virus. As name suggests, email virus are spread through emails. It can travel through attachment in email message and can automatically replicate itself by mailing itself to people in the contact list. So this most dangerous email virus is there. So always be careful about that. Browser hijacker. Browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or any other browser if you are using, so the virus can spread in different ways by download. If you are downloading anything from the internet, then also virus can also download from there. Automatically it will download. So it infects certain browser function, especially in the form of redirecting the user automatically to the certain sites. So what will happen when you will open any browser, particular browser? Sometimes what happen, no, I want to open some different thing, but virus take me to the another page. So this is the hijacker. It hijack our browser, and whatever the instruction we give to the browser, it will not work properly. Next is memory residence virus. The virus usually fix itself inside the computer memory, and whenever you will open or activate your computer memory, every time when the operating system runs and enters so it reside under the computer files or computer memory. Whenever you are opening your operating system, it start working in your files and duplicating it files, making slow your computer and full of memory. These are the memory residence virus. Next is macro virus. This virus infect the files that are created by using some application or programs. If you have created a file, suppose I have created PPT file, if macro virus will be there, then it means it will uh, destroy, or it will infect the files, whatever the things we wrote on that. So like doc means word file, powerpoint file, excel file, or any other file will be there. So it infect the file and the data of the file. Worms, very dangerous. It's like a virus only. It has the ability to self-replicate. Self-replicate means it will copy the file of one file and start copying the files in their place only, multiple files. So the memory will be full, and when the memory will be full, so what will happen? Your computer will be slow automatically. It also spread through the emails and networks. Okay. Trojan. Next one is Trojan and Trojan horse. This is very dangerous. It can erase the data from your hard disk. This much dangerous. This type of virus are there. It can erase all the files and folders from your hard disk. So a powerful antivirus. software need to be installed to escape from this type of viruses. So now next we will learn about the antivirus, that how we can save our computer from this type of different virus. Antivirus software is used to prevent, detect and remove virus from the computer. So different type of antivirus softwares are there, application softwares are there, which works with the computer hardware and help us in removing the virus from your computer. So let's see how many types of antivirus are there. Different type of like AVG, Kaspersky, Norton, McAfee. These are the different type of CA, Quick Heal. These are the different type of antivirus. If you will install in your computer, it will remove the virus from your computer. So kindly install these type of things in your computer and save your computer and save your computer. Thank you.